Hello, welcome to Petermatics, where mathematics is made simple. Today we want to look at how to find limits, or we say methods of solving limits of functions. Basically, there are four methods of solving limits of function. The first method is plug in or substitution method. The second one is factoring method. The third one is getting common denominator. While the fourth is open up parentheses. We are going to explain each of these methods using examples. Let's get along. Let us look at the first method, the plug-in method. We have an example. Evaluate limit of x squared minus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 9 as s approaches 4. So what do? We slot in x we substitute 4 for x in the function given to us. 4 squared minus 2 divided by 4 squared minus 9. So 4 squared is 16. 2 multiplied 4, 8 minus 3. This 4 squared 16 minus 9. So minus 8 minus 3, that's minus 11. 16 minus 11, that's 5. 16 minus 9, 7. So our answer is 5/7, where we use substitution method to find the limits. Let's look at another method, another example. Evaluate limits of square root 36 minus x squared as s approaches 0. As s approaches 0, so we have root 36 minus 0 square, and it gives us root 36. And root 36 will give us 6. The square root of root 36 is 6. So we can use substitution. Let us look at factoring method. We have an example on the board. Evaluate limit of x squared minus 3x minus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 9 as s approaches 3. If you look at it critically, if we are tend to use the first method, let us see what we are going to get. We get 3 into 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 all over 3 square minus 9. So this will be 9. 3 square is 9 minus 2 multiplied 3, 6 minus 3. 3 square is 9 minus 9. What do we have? Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 minus 9, 0. Minus 9 minus 9, 0. This shows that limit does not exist. So therefore, before you can be ascertained that a function given does not have limit, you need to explore these four methods. So let's see what we can do. If we factorize the numerator and the denominator, we are going to have if you factorize the numerator, we are going to have x minus 3 open bracket x plus 1 close the bracket divided by, this is difference of 2 square, and that will give us x minus 3 multiply x plus 3. Okay, so if we divide, we cross this out, we cross this out, what do we have left? We have x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. And if we now use substitution method, we have 3 plus 1. If you put in 3 here, this 3, we now have 3 plus 3. Everything is now 4 divided by 6. You find the factor, divide 4 here by 2. We have 2, and 6 divided by 2, 3. So our final answer is 2 over 3. 2 over 3. There is another example on the board. Evaluate the limit of x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 4x. If we tend to use a substitution method, let us see what will happen. So we slot in minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 8 divided by minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4. So what do we have? Minus 1 square is 1, minus multiply, plus multiply minus 2, okay, minus 8 divided by minus 1 square is 1, minus plus times minus 5 multiply 1, 5 plus 4. So we have minus 2 minus 8, that's minus 10. 1 minus 10 is minus 9 divided by 1 plus 4, 5, minus 5 plus 5, that is 0. Limit does not exist. So let's explore other method to affirm that limit does not exist. So to be sure that this function does not have a limit, let us factorize the numerator and the denominator and substitute the value of minus 1. So this is crossed out. We now have x minus 1 minus 2 divided by x minus 1 plus 1. So what do we have? We have minus 3 divided by 0. So limit does not exist in this function. Limit does not exist in this function. While explaining the third method, getting common denominator, let's look at the example given on the board. Evaluate limit of 1 all over x plus 2 minus 1 over 2 all divided by x. If we try to use the first method, substitution method, this will be 0 and it will give us 1 over 2 minus half. Half minus half is 0. And here 0 is going to be 0 divided by 0. Does that mean in this function, limit does not exist? We can't totally say until we explore getting common denominator. So for the numerator here, the LCM is going to be product of x plus 2 and 2. And we there have x plus 2 multiplied by 2. X plus 2 divided by the product of x plus 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 2. So 1 into 2 minus x plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2, leaving behind x plus 2. So we have 1 multiply x plus 2, everything all over x. If we open the bracket, we have 2 minus x, 1 multiply plus 2 minus 2, divided by 2x plus 2, everything divided by x, everything divided by x. So in this case, x crosses 2 crosses 2. We are left with minus x divided by 2 into bracket x plus 2, everything divided by x. So if x divide the numerator, we have minus x divided by 2 into x plus 2 divided by x all over 1. And if we change this division sign to multiplication, it's going to be reciprocal of 1 x over 1. So we are having 1 divided by x. In this case, we have x is 1, x here 1. So we have minus 1 divided by 2 into x plus 2. Okay. So if we now slot in x being value of 0, we have minus 1 divided by 2 into 0 plus 2. So we have minus 1, 2, 0 plus 2 is 2. Our final answer will be minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied to 4. Our final answer is going to be minus 1 divided by 4. Minus 1 divided by 4. So there is limit in this example given unto us. There is limit in it. If we have explored before, if we have explored the first 3 method, substitution method, that is plugging method, getting common denominator, if we have explored those methods and it seems we are getting 0, then we can use this method, the fourth method, open up parentheses. Me are looking at this question. If we tend to use substitution method, so this will give us 0. That is 2 raised to power 2, which is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. X is 0. It will give us 0 divided by 0, meaning that limit does not exist. But let's see if we open up the parenthesis here. Limit of this is going to be, x plus 2 raised to power 2 means x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so this will give us x squared, x times 2, 2x multiplied by 2, 4x, 2 squared, 4 minus 4, okay, divided by x as s approaches 0. From here we have s crosses s, 4 crosses 4 out. We now have s squared plus 4s divided by x. We can factorize x out of here to be s into open bracket x plus 4 divided by x, and as s divided each other, what do we have left? We have x plus 4. So if we slot the value of x 0 into this, 0 plus 4, our final answer is 4, meaning that there is limit in this function given to us. before you can conclude that there is no limit in the function given, you need to explore the four methods. You need to explore the four methods. If you have found value in this video today and you are a new subscriber, kindly subscribe to the video so that anytime I upload another uh, video, you'll be among the first people that will watch it. And another way by which you can encourage me is by giving this video thumbs up. So when you give it thumbs up, the YouTube algorithm will show it to other people who search for how to find limits. So please encourage me. Until then, don't stop solving mathematics. If you leave mathematics one day, it will leave you for 4 days. I encourage you. Goodbye.